I couldn't remember what I was going to be doing today, but now that I'm out here and the sun's shining and it's nice and pretty and everything, I was thinking, oh yeah, I was going to do this, and oh yeah, I was going to do that. One of the things I was going to do is real nice YouTuber, and I was trying to remember his name because I saw it this morning. I thought I can remember so I can give him credit for telling me how to do that, but then I realized that he probably 2 or 3 of you told me, so you know who you are. But one of you, or a couple of you maybe, said if I take a door panel off in this Rambler, that there's a screw in there that I can adjust to move this so that will close correctly. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do that. We're going to remove that door panel. We're going to fix that where that'll close correctly. And we're also going to wash this mirror I put on here the day. I got my spray way. We'll talk about that. But that ain't what I came out here to show you first. See, there's so many things I want to do. I can't keep track of which one's first. Well, here's for example. I was going to show you that, but I'll go show you this instead. I was looking on, we have this thing called a marketplace. It's on Facebook, and it's where people sell stuff. Well, there's this guy this morning. He had a garage carport for sale. It's just like that one, only it's littler. 12 feet wide. His was 12 by 18, but they standard run about 12 by 21. You get a brand new one about $900. He had one for $500 that he took apart and had it on a trailer. And you could buy it and he'd bring it out, and then you could put it together yourself. Save about $400. Well, I told him, I said, I'll buy that. But then he said, I sold it. It's like he didn't have it up but for about 3 hours before he sold it. But I came back here because, see, I've been thinking maybe I'd put me a tin barn back there to put that boat in when I leave, so it'll be safe from theft and weather and such. But I also thought about putting one here, and I thought that little 12 wide carport would sit right there, and I could scoot that boat in there, and I could take that tin that I got back yonder, and I could put tin all the way around it, and I could make a door and lock it. I could lock that boat away unless somebody had a hairpin from a lady's bonnet, lady's bouffant hairdo, they wouldn't be able to get it out. So it'd be protected from the weather, and it'd be protected from thieving eyeballs too. So then anyway, since he'd already sold that one, I thought, well, maybe I ought to just put my money all together and borrow a little bit, maybe walk down the road, pick up some bottles and cans and see if I can get a little extra and just buy me one of them, have somebody come out and put one up right there. So that's what I'm thinking. I might do that instead of building one, stick building one, because I done learned I can't stick build nothing cheaper than they can make it up and bring it out here and put it together. Nowadays, they're pretty good about all that. But that ain't what I came to show you either. That's what I was going to show you, is something else. And it's over in here.